on the beat and beat it like me dick me coming. Big up all me liar, them with done me money.
Welcome to Kingston, welcome to Jamaica, welcome to Kingston. The land of food and water. If a girl live in Larmobile, you will stay. Take a trip and come check out Kingston. Let's go!
Welcome to Lion TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Bless you, love and greetings. Good morning, viewers and subscribers. I don't know the man of pace, you know. We say give thanks to life, health and strength, give thanks to another day. Yes, man, Vybz Kartel. Big up the liar, they were done in money. Zine, Isaac Buchanan. So I'm going to sue him if he don't go up on tour. Yo, we are far away with more. Don't go never say it. Kingston was the hottest event. Up on Monday, Bossy Tuesday, boom boom I represent. Can't tire the dancer, check in and present. Everyone I enjoy themselves 100%. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back. You know the man of peace in the lion foot, you know why, so we keep it real on the battlefield. Blessed Sunday. That's what I say. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers them in the UK. You see me? Yes man, happy Mother's Day. You know where they are go football on the journey, you know? Yeah man. And shout out to all the Gunners fans them. What a win yesterday. Zine 2-1. Yes man, greatest thing we win. Man City fans and Liverpool fans. Oh no go do later. Zine, but anyway. Right now you know it's equality, diversity, equity, empathy, love, unity, strength. They're up on the road on the journey to football. They have a referee. Zine. Yeah man, some of us want to say, you know, I see Vybz Kartel drop a Blows and Squares song there. Viewers and subscribers, I want to know, go check out my EP now. Welcome to Kingston. See? 6 reggae songs up on it. Zine. Yeah man. And big up my PR. Mad move. Zine. Yeah. Yeah man, so you don't know Vybz Kartel now. Yeah, and please subscribe, click the bell. Just click the like button, please and thanks. Click the like button. The more you click the like button, the more, you know what I mean, YouTube put it out there so people can see it. Cause the fans say them nah see me a post no video. I post, I wonder if me get shadow ban or what. Or them a shadow ban me, I don't know, but the fans say them nah ask me regularly. Oh them nah see nothing I post. And I am posting, every day I am posting. At least one video a day, I make sure I post so my fans them can get informed and entertained and walk on in and around the world. Because you know why so we deal with, you know, diversity, equity, empathy, love. It's a very diverse channel, see? So while I'm traversing to football, you know more I say, Vybz Kartel, big up yourself. The world awaits to hear Vybz Kartel, Faith, Zine, and it should be on the 14th. Yes. You know, we see the Privy Council I say, but you think they're gonna say a retrial or they might just say leg of the man? Because you know the case, you know, a lot of incompetent issues happened, you know what I mean, where technicalities where the judge said, boy, the Privy Council said them shouldn't have gone ahead with the since one of the jury compromised, you know, but as we say, the world awaits Vybz Kartel fate. But right now, we are going to run through a song where we see Vybz Kartel make a post. And I say, big up the liar, they were done in money. When you feel Vybz Kartel money done, no sir, me don't think so. But we do Vybz Kartel, yo, the man bad enough. Yo, me say, me hear the song look a while, and I said, no sir, me have to do this while I'm on my way to football. As if it was a big up all the liar, they were done in money. You gotta send the picture with the dildo in it. Pussy. You gotta send the pussy pic with the dildo in it. Watch out now. I'm gonna review the song right now. Just a little piece. See it? Just a little piece. So big up on yourself, my viewers and subscribers. But you're not gonna see me again until the end of the review. See? Because I'm up on the road today. And I hold up a nice in our background. And I vlog on the go. I will say blessed Sunday and happy Mother's Day again to all of the mothers them. See? Yes man. Yes man. A lion foot, the man of peace. Arsenal for life. See it? Yeah.
Jump on the beat and beat it like me dick me coming. Big up all me liar, them with done me.
Yo, you heard the man a flow up on the rhythm, man. Yo, jump on the beat and beat it like me dick me coming. Big up all the liar, them with done the money. Yo, Kartel, yo, Kartel liar, them with expensive video. Go Privy Council and go up on Fox News and all of them things there, though. Yo, Adi, trust me, big up. That's why I like that song still.
Me have a girl wey give me million regularly. And I really me girl like somebody girl, but she a fuck with daddy.
Me have a girl who give me million regularly. I don't really make girl, somebody girl, but she a fuck with daddy. Hey, me I tell her, say the amount of girl right now good at top up Cartel bank account. Me I tell her, man, out in the world, crazy shit, man. Lisa Mercedes, say woman come out and say them in love with Cartel, man. Hey, allegedly, and a beer woman going to prison because that shit dog Cartel. Yo, when Cartel drop a road, but that trouble.
He send the pussy picture with the dildo in a it. The man who home style so bad, me tell them rum in a it.
Bumbleclad. Yo, she send the pussy picture with the dildo in a it. Them ask me, my style so bad, me tell them rum in a it. Hey, that style like body there, what did Cartel, the man different, the man full of style. And the man say, yo, the girl send the pussy pic with the picture in a it, with the dildo in a it. Oh, my style so bad, me tell them rum in a it. Jesus, space.
Mix with the Pepsi, the whistle, like the fucking granny. And me neck full of gold like green leprechaun. Me want Johnny where we 7 me a Capricorn.
Hey, I want him with Addy, you know, the man now left out him chronic, you know. Yes, man, the man say, yo, him neck full of gold like him a leprechaun. Him born January 7, him a Capricorn. Big up all the Capricorn them out there, see?
Dog, even if you can't, you see the storm. See Vanna laugh, bag a girl a feel bring it on. Me gone up in your belly, baby.
Yes, man, Vybz Kartel also a big up him charge Siva. You see me? Who's also waiting to hear his fate, you know? Yes, if the man freedom. But the man say, yo, even if me calm, I see the storm. Siva na laugh, bag a girl a feel bring it on. Me gone up in your belly, baby, a feel born. Yeah, man. But that is a little snippet of the song we see Vybz Kartel post. You see me, so big up Addy. Song bad, the rhythm bad, the flow bad.
The party's full up of tourists. That's one thing I admire and notice. Who not they are ready, I listen to one love. They are rate on a dance to rubber dub.
Yes, man, so that was a little piece of the song when we see Vybz Kartel posted. And he also wrote, big up the actual lawyers them on this appeal. Isaac Buchanan, John Clark, Alexandra Lee Beach, David Islap, Julian Mullins, and you, Southie. See, that is why Vybz Kartel say big up all the liar them made done me money. Yes, much liar the man have on the case. Your money can't little for that, you know. Yes, man. So we see Isaac Buchanan replied in the comment section say, sue me I go sue you if me not go up on tour. Smiling emoji. Hashtag God and time. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, so a different view again. You don't know the end of the vlog. I will say big up on yourself. Zed, give thanks for the support. Don't forget to like and share the content. Just like it. Even if you're not subscribed, just click the like button. See? Yes, man. We want YouTube to put it in the feed, man, so the fans them can see. Say we are work, we are do the work. Slowly but surely we are get there. See? Blessed love.
Welcome to Kingston. Welcome to Kingston. Yeah. If I watch you on the grill, you a stay. Take a trip and come check out Kingston.
I watch them on the German represent for Lion Foot TV. They are real G. Tell them on the strongest soldiers get the hardest fight. Lion Foot Patriots out there.